Well, g'day tubes, how's she going today? Pretty good here. Sunny, sunny, sunny finally again. But anyways, today, a little wiring project for the new bike. Installing my USB charger station Dewey thing. I got two of them a while back there. I got one on the other bike and I'm going to throw one on this guy. So we got them all stripped down. Got things kind of ran where I kind of sort of want it. And we're going to have to split into this wire here. Comes one of the wire that comes on and off with the whatchamacallit, switch, and that one does. So it does go, I think, to the rear somewhere, probably to the lights, so hopefully it doesn't screw much up or anything up, and she should be all good. I'm basically just going to draw power off of that, and it's got 12.5 volts when you turn the key on, so she should be good. Now I probably could have gone into here somewhere too, but I don't really want to mess with that too much. I'll just this one's a little bit more easier, and it's kind of more easier to get into. So without further ado, well, let's get hacking. Okay, so I'm a little ticked. I know, somewhere I hung them up. I've got like 2 or 3 of those inline fuse little holder Deweys. And you think I can find one now when I need it? Now this circuit is protected by a fuse. Actually, I just covered it up here. This one here. Now mind you, that's a 30 amp. So if this thing ends up frying from 30 amps, it's, yeah. But anyways, what I'm gonna do is try not to actually cut the wire inside here. I'd like to just kind of shred the stuff back if possible, if I can. Kind of a bit of a killer knife for this, but I don't really want to hack this line apart if I don't have to. If I can do her without wrecking her, and that would be alright. Now, I'm gonna have to probably get one of those fuse things. Anyways, I will put one in, but I'm going on a bit of a tour tomorrow, and kind of need this just going for tomorrow, because I kind of know where I'm going, but I'm kind of not. This is definitely not the right kind of knife for this, but should have brought one of my little X-Actos down. Okay, let's just clean them up here a bit. This is actually a really hard sort of plasticky stuff on this. I'm kind of surprised. It's not too bad. I think I'm gonna maybe just extend it a hair bit. You just probably can't really see what I'm doing, but I will show you after. It's a good test for the eyeballs, let me tell you. Trying to see this crap. Okay, a little screwy there, but anyways, that should work. Should work, I say. I should lightly. Okay, I've got an issue here now. I need to pull out of this, a little bit of this thing back here. Oh, for cornflakes, I guess I'm gonna have to pull her almost the back right out again. Hang on, boys, we're gonna get you here in a sec. There we go. Okay, just rerouting some wires here. Rerouting. It's a lot easier to route stuff when you've before you solder stuff in, because that really sucks. What I'm doing here is trying to get it routed fairly cleanly. But that may not be possible without taking a whole bunch of crap apart, unfortunately. I'm going to have to find some stuff to tie this to in here, I guess, too. Now, I had her going through here pretty good. Where the heck did I find that now? Okay. Okay, so I didn't like that. I actually did get it routed down through the front fairing thing there. It actually just popped off with some those snap dewy things, so that wasn't too bad. Now just gotta get her through here. And we'll fix that up along the side a little after there. Okay, we should be good. Now, double check my box here, make sure I don't have any. Nothing. Crap. Well, that certainly does suck. Solder ready. The pasty, your stuff ready. We'll grab an extension cord here too. We're gonna need that. And you're staring at the tank. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I think everything's pretty good there. This is going to work out good because I just temporarily ground that right to the battery. Okay, plug in the gun. Wish that thing had like an auto on thing because I could get her warming up while I was waiting here, while I'm soldering or cleaning or whatchamacallit and stuff up here. Okay, now somewhere in here, a little bit of a flux brush. Ooh, this stuff's gooey. Ha! It's been in the sun. Don't need much. Put some on here first. Okay. Now, now, if I had cut that apart, I could have probably put one of those heat shrink dewies on. That's probably lots. Okay, when I was in my RC days, I was really good at soldering. So, we'll see what we can do this time. Get the gun to warm up a bit. I got a little dewy there to catch anything that might fall. We got the solder ready here. She's starting to smoke, which is a good thing. Come on, baby. Should be more than enough. There. Thing with solder is it's not really forgiving. It's not too bad, but if you heat her up, like, and I wanted to, you know, put a little more on after, you can't really sort of do that then. You got to kind of do it all in one little, or you're screwed. Now, of course, I don't have any towel thing with me here, but not too bad. Okay. So we will first tape up the joint itself. I've tried that liquid electrical tape stuff. Not too bad. But if you don't use it all within a certain time, it seems to, like, I don't know, what do you say, goes hard, kind of a thing, I guess. It dries itself right out, and then it's kind of really no good. And I found if you put a bit of, oh, what was that stuff I put in it? Really stinky stuff. That seemed to work. And it thinned it out again, so. Okay, I'm not very good at taping though, as you can see, but it should work. Okay, so that, where did that thing lay? It went down under here and then it ran up through here, I think, yeah, like that. So that's good. And crap, I just set my battery, my light clock again. Maybe I can do this without breaking a connection. Don't tell me it's not long enough. Well, I can ground it somewhere else. I think it'll work though. Ugh, good. Now, just double make sure that's good. See if everything turns on here. Of course, I need a key. Good, if you unplug this, nothing comes on. It's funny, none of the dash lights, none of the noises of the whatchamacallit there or anything comes on, so. Alright. That all seemed good. Now, let's check. Make sure our lights still work. Signals and brake light. Yeah. Good, good. Left turn. Right turn. Good. Four ways. Four ways even, eh? Holy. Okay, now up here. Hang on a sec. I'll extend your legs. There, you feel taller now? Okay, now somewhere on the handlebar here, this thing will get mounted. And hopefully the camera will see it. You can see the blue light on there. So now let's turn the key off. blue light go off? Yes, it did. Sweet. Okay, now with that thing on the handlebar, we're good to charge. Okay, so the big test. She's mounted there. It's plug that feller in there. Normally that would be in my case thingy there, which I could put it in. One second, I will grab the Z case. Not super crazy on this case yet, but I guess it'll sort of kind of work in a way. It's just basically a zip open and kind of just throw it in kind of sort of thing. I guess the iPhone 5's been out for a while. You'd think they would have something for them by now, but okay, so that can get zipped like that. The cord is still actually way too long. That's locked on. All right. Take you guys off of it because it's just getting in the way here. Tripod. Okay, so turn that way. Oh, charging. That's good. See the little electric dewey there. So if I take this out of the charger, it should doo-doo. Oh, don't like that. Charge me back up. Doo-doo. There we go. And now if I run along. Oh, I want to stop for a bit. Okay, turn the key off. And it stops charging. Starts charging. Stops charging. Starts charging. Sweet. Okay, let's fire it up. Oh yeah! Even runs again. That's a good thing, I guess. Ugh. I got a new kind of leaf blower. Watch, ready? I think that's funny. Alright, well, I guess we'll put her back together. Put the seats back on. It's not too bad. Not too bad of a deal. There's a seat for my butt. It just locks underneath sort of in there kind of thing. That, and there's a couple of screws there, and then the clip for the rear seat. It's got to go in. Get her lined up, though it's a fun part. Oh, finally. Help me, help me. Look at the dealership dirt under there. I should actually clean that off, but you don't generally see that. And how many times am I going to take the seat on and off just to clean under there? Probably not very much. Probably the next time I'll take the seat off walls to put the circuity thing on there, and probably to take the battery out when she comes non-riding season time, which unfortunately is going to come eventually. Okay, and the second seat, it clips under there. Let's make sure you guys are seeing all this. Yep. It clips under here, and it's a little trickier to get in. Oh, that wasn't too bad. And there's just a single bolt on the back here. Get that one started, and we'll be home free. Well, sort of, kinda. Good. Now, the only other part is to put my tool bag back together here. And put all this back in. There's the tool bag. Still never did find my owner's manual, so if anybody knows the location on the bike, I've pretty well had her down to nothing. You would have thought by now I would have found it, but I think they've got it up there still. But I actually did go online and find the online version of it, so crap, I gotta need the key. So I guess you can lock your I'm gonna have to route that wire a little better too, I guess. There. Okay, not liking that wire. I have to figure that out, I guess, here. Hold on a sec. Okay, we're good now. I just had to kind of reroute it. Should have gone up the other way, I guess, and through, but you'd have to take all the tank and crap off. I don't really want to get into that today. But it's pretty well. It's like this just comes off here. Oh crap, I didn't get it back on right. There. It just got those little snap things, right? So, yes. Lots of fun. Lots of fun. It's dirty though. Oh, it's dirty. But what can you do? It's either you sit and clean it all day or you drive her. I'm doing a little bit of both. Oh, someone's pulling up. Well, just went for a little tutor. Got some gas and charged up to 89%, so that's good. It's too loud though, eh? No. Oh, come on, it's too loud. But anyways, just unplug that. Put the cap Dewey back on. Just like that. Anywho, I guess that's it for today. Apparently dinner's ready. I'm friggin' starved. It's been a long day. So anyways, I don't know how much of a video we'll be getting into tomorrow. Maybe when I get to my destination. I don't know yet. So we will maybe talk to you then. I'll take cameras and stuff with me, but where I'm going, I'm not too sure if they like cameras and stuff. So we'll see. I'll ask, of course. But anyways, we shall catch you hopefully tomorrow. If not, Farm Sim Saturday for Saturday again. Ready to rock. Holy cow. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll catch you later.